how to share Wi-Fi password using QR code on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on Connections. After click on Connection, click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi and click on the settings icon. After click on the settings icon, if you want to share Wi-Fi password using QR code, so you will see Wi-Fi password is here. If you want to share Wi-Fi password, click on this eye icon. You will see enter your fingerprint and face ID. You will see your password is showing on your screen. If you want to share QR code, click on QR code and enter your face ID and fingerprint. You will see QR code is showing on your screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can share Wi-Fi password using QR code on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.